Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the tempo in music. Tempo is Italian word and it refers to the speed at which you are playing a certain piece. Concept of tempo has been changed through time. Musicians played slower in, let's say, Baroque time than today. When you look closer, that actually makes sense because instruments were different back then, and we must also not forget the music taste of the listeners. Also, there is this thing called schools today, and process of learning music evolved through time. Since the Romantic period, more and more people have access to instruments. That brings more talent to the music, and naturally, one way to exploit that talent is speed. People were not just adding more tempo marks, but understanding existing one in different ways. Okay, what tempo marks are there? Let's check some of them. Metronome is an excellent tool to use for practice. With help of it, you can easily find out how fast you are or should play, and for the purpose of practice, you can easily shift from one tempo to another in situations where you want to gradually increase the tempo of a certain piece. These days, you can easily download an app for free and have a metronome on your device. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.